Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Dolce & Gabbana watch. This is going to be the quartz version with the no date complication. So we do not have a date window for the date complication. On these models, what you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and here we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction, and let's presume I want to make it 6:45. So I'm going to first make it 6, then I'm going to go at 45, and in order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and we are done. Now there are going to be different models, so different watches that have the date complication. As you can see, we have a date window here at 6 o'clock, and we have the first model on the right that only has the date complication, so the day of the month, and then we have the one on the left that features a day-date complication, so both the day of the week and the day of the month. Now for these models, the process of setting the time and date is going to be different, a little bit more complex, and I have separate tutorials for these two models, links in the description box below. You want to watch these videos because you can damage the watch when setting the date, and that is why you want to follow the correct process. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to be subscribed, and if you found value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.